Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing, reviewing this tool set from DuraTech. This is a master bit socket set, 42 pieces, and this is the front of the sticker, and it shows you the model number DTMTBSS42. And I purchased this. As you know, they are sold at Amazon, but I purchased this one from wood.com, which is an Amazon company also, but it's supposed to be a site or an app that has deals on stuff. So this was $16 from that site, from Wood. Took a little bit of time to deliver, but I don't care much about the shipping speed. So $16 for this set is pretty good. It includes a 3/8 inch ratchet that is 90 tooth ratchet. Okay, so it comes in this little case. Let's take the box away. Okay, it comes with this paper here that says thank you for your purchase and stuff like that. And I can hear already there is some stuff that are loose from their spot, which is fine. We just need to put them back. But it's kind of, the case itself is swollen in the middle, so I'm not sure if those loose pieces got in the way or something when they closed it. I'm not sure. We will look. So it says 1/4 inch drive and 3/8 inch drive. It only includes the 3/8 inch ratchet, which is 90 tooth. It is an SAE and metric, and it includes these type of bits. Okay, and that is the model number again. And on the back it has some similar information, but perhaps more detail. Yeah, 90 tooth quick release ratchet. Okay, so let's open it. It has a plastic latch. Yeah, the whole thing is shifted. Not one of them is in place. So we'll just look at them like this, or give me a minute, let me put them back in place and we'll look at them then. Okay, so it took me a few minutes to put this back together where it was supposed to go. I noticed one of them here maybe is a mistake. So these are the Torx bits. So there is T50, 47, 45, 40, 30, 27, 25, 20, and 15, except that T27 is not really a Torx bit, it's more a hex bit. See? But here it says it's T27, so they may have compressed this wrong at the factory, and they just included it as a T27, but it's a hex, because these are the hex ones here. There is other hex ones up here. So these are the Torx, and now we have the hex 3/8, 732, 1/4, 5/16, 3/8. And we have metric, which is 10. Okay, so we have 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and we have a flathead, sort of a bit for a flathead screw. So there is 3/8, 9/32, and 7/32. And we have a Phillips head. It's pretty cool. Okay, so there is the P1, P2, and P3 sizes for the Phillips. And we also have hex here. So this is supposed to be the same. I'm guessing it's the same size because it's supposed to be 3/8. But this is quarter. And this is 3/8 drive. So these are quarter ones. These are quarter. These are 3/8. And this is 3/8 as well. So there is 5/16, a quarter, 7/32, 3/16, 5/32. And we have a few of these socket, just regular sockets. This is size E16, and this is E14. It's not coming out of the slot there. Here you go. E16, I mean 16, 14, E12, and E10. And we have just regular, it looks like a Torx. This looks like a Torx socket. And it's 1/4 inch. And that is E6. This is also Torx socket. E7, and this is another Torx socket that is E8. So this actually looks like Torx socket too. Are these all Torx sockets? Maybe. They look like it. Yeah, so these look like Torx sockets. And we have one of these adapters for the 1/4 inch. So if you want to use this 90 tooth ratchet with the 1/4 inch, you can, using this little adapter. There you go. Okay. So they include the adapter, so you only use one ratchet. And this is the 90 tooth ratchet. As you can see, it says the 90 tooth, and it has the branding engraved on it. And let's take a quick listen here. I'm going to flip it to the other side. It feels solid, so should be good. And there is an extension here. Okay, so that is all of them. Now they were all messed up all over the place. I may need to reach out to them so they can send me a Torx T27. This is a hex bit on a Torx, so I need to ask them to send me a replacement for this. All right, supposed to have lifetime warranty. All these DuraTech products have lifetime warranty. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching this video with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like these videos, please subscribe to the channel for future ones to be notified when they are published. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.